Hello there and welcome to another exciting episode of Kosher Vids. The reason why I'm talking so fast is 'cause I'm the one that's holding the camera right now and it's getting heavy. Okay, so let's do this quick. Basically, the oncoming of winter is usually a time that's associated with bad vibes. We're going to switch that today, okay? What I decided to do is to put you in a good mood. That's right. What I did for you is I took my camera and I just shot footage. Footage that is just beautiful. Footage that will make you smile. Footage of people smiling. Just to put a smile on your face and put you in a good mood. The upcoming of winter is really a beautiful time. It's a time of introspection, a time of thinking, a time of where everything slows down like slow-mo. So let's see if I can put a smile on your face and show you the real beauty of the oncoming of winter. Thank you.
Sun fades away, brings us close to the end of the day. From back on our ways, to forgive on the old, grant us a new slate. In this moment there's a chance to reach to the gate, slipping through the cracks. Is anything you can ask? This moment is short, it doesn't last. Gates are closing, open up your heart. Souls are hoping, looking to a new start. This moment in time, our prayers ascend up into the sky. Every single cry that comes from the heart's brought straight to the one most high. When the moment is gone, the sun has set and the day is done. They shut the gates way up above, gates of mercy, these gates of love. Gates are closing, open up your heart. Souls are hoping, looking to a new start. Gates are closing, open up your heart. Souls are hoping, looking to a new start.